Hello and welcome. My name's Doug Fink. I'm a Microsoft MVP, and I'm going to show you a function I've written called Read-Clipboard, which is different from the built-in Get-Clipboard. The Read-Clipboard will read text from the clipboard, as does Get-Clipboard, but it will also convert, if there's CSV on the clipboard, it will convert it from CSV into PowerShell objects with property names, and if there's JSON on the clipboard, it will also convert that into PowerShell arrays with each object having property names. There's support for delimiters, and there's support for your own headers. So let's take a look at what this does. So let's say I was looking at a web page, and I was looking at a list of presidents, and here I've selected a small snippet of data about the presidents, so I will copy that to the clipboard. And then I go back to PowerShell, and when I say Read Clipboard, it will attempt to read the data and then convert it into objects with property names. You can see that happens if I format the list. I can manipulate how it looks. If I do Get Clipboard, I see the same data, but I cannot manipulate that information. If we take a look again at Read Clipboard, I can say select, we'll pick president, and we can just pull that data out. So that's one of the advantages to Read Clipboard. If I go back to the internet, I can take a look at JSON, and let's say I wanted to copy this JSON. I can read the clipboard again, and I can use the as JSON switch, capture that in a variable, and we'll take a look at employees, and I can see that I can dot notate into the object. That's really great if I want to grab information off of a web page, or if I want to grab it out of a file. I can just use it straight away from the clipboard. One of the reasons I also like this is once I have the data read from the clipboard into objects, I can use it inside of Excel, export it to Excel straight away. I can also use this with CSV files. So I just copied that, and here I'm using a delimiter of a comma for CSV because the default is a tab. Most data from the web comes in as tab delimited data in a tabular format. So I just copied that CSV formatted data to the clipboard, did a read, told it it was delimited by a comma, and then I can do things like export to cell. So it's a really interesting, quick way to manipulate data without storing them in files. I can grab them off the internet. I can grab them off different files or sections of files that maybe, let's say that the comma-separated values are embedded in a fence block inside of a markdown file. So this is I'm making this part of my ImportExcel module. That way. So go grab the module, the install module, and have fun with Read Clipboard and ImportExcel. Thanks for watching.